Hello, wonderful people. This is a hectic day, but we managed to go to Port Moody today. And we have 5 hours or something. We need to add fuel and go. And we have one little problem. If you saw a video about two boats that caught our anchor, they made a lot of mess with our anchor. I'll show you now. This is what happened. We could not untie it. We were just in the middle of Falls Creek, come on. So we are going to fuel station and we'll try to untie it there. And we already tried once and it turned around again. So yeah, we're not lucky with our anchors at all. Problem number 2, busy fuel station. When there's somebody, we can't park there because we still have only one engine working. We did not add our battery, so we can't make it more convenient for us. So we'll need to go around and wait till this guy will leave. Are you sure you want to try to park there?
No idea.
It feels like somebody got more confidence.
Definitely not me.
Are you turning around?
No.
Okay, we'll see what it happened then. Okay, stop number 1. Filling everything. Look how disgusting our tank is looking. We need yeah, we need pressure washer. We still didn't buy it, and last time we used it 6 months ago, so it's looking so bad. But yeah, and it definitely needs some refurbishments. We can't wait the moment when we clean everything, when we remove all the trash that we have stored. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure.
Looks so good. And this is how our anchor looks like. Now we need to do oh, actually it's not that bad. We can manage to do something with this. It just stuck a little bit. If you haven't seen our video about our first 3 weeks on this boat, you should check it out because we had constant problems with our anchor. Okay, let's see what Dima can do. Thank you, dear. This is so cool to be here again. So beautiful.
Yep. Do you know what? I don't know how to show it in the video, but the air here is just unique because it's forest all around you. And this is so beautiful. Because we've been in a city for several months, I missed this air quality. It's just something. It's so beautiful.
Konzert und Flow im Camion, schönes Glück, Wasser.
Okay, show me what you got.
Got this. I have a problem with this one.
Yeah, you did it. You did it.
Yeah.
Good job. What a view! What a beautiful view! What a beautiful view here! Oh
We
my
are finally
God.
here.
This is so beautiful.
It's so calm.
Let's go for the groceries. Trip continues. Or is it just only started? So, another problem. Another day, another problem. Our dinghy electric motor is finally dying. How to say? I knew what it will happen one day, but I did not expect that it would be happening at the same time. How everything going, you know. So it's still working, kinda,
Time to time.
time to time, but it's not reliable anymore. So
We have pedals just in
Puddles.
case.
Yeah, but I mean, the new electric motor doesn't cost a lot. It costs like, I don't know, $200, maybe a little bit more, but it's 24 volts and our battery is 12 volts. We also have two more battery cells, which is right now in our main battery bank, which we can take out of. But we need to buy a new BMS system and we need to reconfigure their system and reset up everything. So it's gonna take me like, I don't know, several days for sure to upgrade all of these things. But I think it's time.
It's time.
And there's guys trying to catch us.
Us.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. What the hell is going on? I think it's too much again. 2 huge bags. And the heaviest backpack. Oh, wish me luck.
As you can see, it's really cold here, and Fox delivery came. Ooh, a lot of food.
Oh.
Are you okay?
No.
Let's load it. This is super handy thing. I love it.
So, yeah. I think we should stop the video here. So, as you can see, we have beautiful views and we don't have a car. Maybe one day we will have money to order an Uber, but not today. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, subscribe to our channel. I have no idea when this video comes live, but
See you in the next one.
oh.